Hello, now that you have learned how to use COUNTIF function to count the number of cells in a particular range satisfying a particular criteria, let's see how we can do the same for multiple criteria or multiple conditions. For that, we are going to use function called COUNTIFS, which is IFS. And the syntax of the function looks like this. So it is COUNTIFS open bracket, and in COUNTIF function which we used earlier, there was only one set of range and criteria. In COUNTIFs, you can have multiple sets of range and criteria. So this is the first range and criteria 1. Similarly, you can have range 2, criteria 2, range 3, criteria 3, and so on, all separated by commas. So let's take an example. Let's calculate the students with A or A plus in both maths and science. Just for you to note, I have added a row here. So our range has changed. Now the range is from row number 9 to row number 33. So let's write the formula here for COUNTIFs equal to COUNTIFs open bracket, and now we are writing the first criteria range. So that will be for maths, which is column E, so E9 to E33, comma, and the criteria is it should be A star. So we are looking for either A or A plus in maths, comma. Now if you see here, now next is the range 2. So range 2 for science is G, so G9 colon G33, comma. Now we write the second criteria. It is the same, which is in quotation marks, A star quotation mark complete, and we complete the parenthesis because we have only 2 criteria to write. In COUNTIFs, you can write up to 127 criteria. Alright, now let me enter. So there are 6 students who have got A or A plus in both maths as well as science. Similarly, we can calculate those students who have A or A plus in all the subjects. So let's do this again. COUNTIFs open bracket. So the first range is English, which is D9 to D33, comma, quotation mark A star, quotation mark complete, comma. Second range is E9, E33, comma. Again, the criteria for all are same, which is A star, quotation mark complete, comma. Next range is and we complete the parenthesis and hit enter. So there are 5 students who have A or A plus in all the subjects. Let's verify this quickly. It is always good to verify the formula that you have written. So this one is not valid. Next, student 2, 3, here, no, this one, this is first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's it. So 5, which is correct answer. So this is how we write COUNTIFs function for counting number of cells which will satisfy multiple criteria. Now, important thing to note is COUNTIFs will count only if all the criteria written by you are satisfied. It is basically similar to AND function, not OR function. The second thing to keep in mind about COUNTIFs function is that about the range. So all the range that you apply in COUNTIFs function should have the same structure, meaning it should have the same number of rows and columns in it. In our case, the range was from row number 9 till row number 33 for all the columns. So it was the same type of range applied in all the 4 ranges here. So bear that in mind while writing COUNTIFs function.